Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. Today again we'll continue with exercise 2.2. In the last video we had done question number 3. Today we'll start from question number 4. Now if you see question number 4 on page number 40, it is being given find the product using suitable properties. देखो जब भी क्वेश्चन में ऐसा दिया हो suitable properties, it means you have to use the property to find the answer. ऐसे ही सिर्फ मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर देना है that 738 into 103 तो 738 into 103 करके फिर 3 8 24 and like that वो नहीं करना है. हेडिंग में क्लियरली दिया है यूजिंग सूटेबल प्रॉपर्टीज, मतलब वहाँ पे सूटेबल प्रॉपर्टी का यूज करना ही है. Now here it is given that 738 into 103. So how we can use the properties here? So what we will do, we'll make this 738 as it is. Now 103 I can write in the form of 100 plus 3. Okay, 103 means it can be written as 100 plus 3. So ये एक प्रॉपर्टी हो गई, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी over addition, and now we have to find out the answer. लास्ट जो वीडियो देखा था उसमें कौन से फॉर्म में दिया था, एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म में दिया था. नाउ हियर इट इज गिवन इन दिस फॉर्म. विच फॉर्म इट इज? a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. अभी ये फॉर्म है हमारे पास. we have to use this and find out the answer. So how we will find out the answer? a into b plus c is equal to what? a into b प्लस a into c. ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी है वो a के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Okay, so now here also same thing we'll do. 738 into 100 plus 738 into 3. Okay, a into b plus a into c. Now we'll find out the answer. 738 into 100 means just add 2 zeros at last, plus 3 8s is 24, so 2, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 is 11, 1, 3 7s are 21 plus 1 is 22. And now we have to add these two and find out the answer. So 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 1 is 1, 8 plus 2 is 10, 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 3 and 7. So this is our final answer. It is 7,36,014. Okay, वो फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते 103 से, then it would go bigger. So here as they are told to use suitable property, so we have to use suitable property only. और हमेशा देखना जब भी suitable property या distributive property यूज़ करने को बोला होगा तो इस तरह से होगा. 100 के आसपास, कभी 98 होगा तो it can be 100 minus 2, 99 हुआ तो 100 minus 1, 101 हुआ तो 100 plus 1, 105 हुआ तो 100 plus 5, 999 दिया तो 1000 minus 1, 1001 दिया तो 1000 plus 1. Like that only it will be given. हमेशा 100 या 1000 के आसपास ही होगा, so that the calculation will become easy. Now second one, it is 854 into 102. देखो यहाँ पे 103 था, here it is 102. So what we will do, 854 into, we'll write it as 100 plus 2, because 102 means we can write it as 100 plus 2. अब सेम इसका जैसा ही हो गया. Here it was 103, so 100 plus 3. Here 102, so 100 plus 2. Now 854 into 100 plus 854 into 2. A into B plus A into C. So now here just two zeros will be added at last, plus just multiply 2 4s is 8, 2 5s is 10, 1, 2 8s are 16 plus 1, 17. Now we'll add 0 plus 8 is 8, 0 plus 0 is 0, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1, 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7 and 8 as it is, so it comes to 87,108 is the answer. Now third one I am doing, but fourth one you have to do it by yourself. 258 into 1008. देखो यहाँ पे 100 के आसपास था. नाउ हियर इट इज 1000, बट नो नीड टू वरी. क्या करेंगे हम? 258 into 1000 plus 8. 1008 means it is 1000 plus 8. Now 258 into 1000 plus 258 into 8. So 258 and then just add 3 zeros plus 8 8s are 64, so 4 6, 8 5s are 40 plus 6 is 46, so 4, 8 to the 16 plus 4 is 20. Now लास्ट के 3 डिजिट्स यहाँ पे देखो 0 है, इधर लास्ट 3 डिजिट क्या है? 064, so it will be 064 only. Now 8 plus 2 is 10, so 1, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 2. So this is the final answer. Now the last one is given, that is 1005 into 168. 1005 into 168 is being given, तो वहाँ पे क्या कर देना है? Here what you will do, इसका distribution कर देना है. 1005 you will write it as 1000 plus 5. Okay, and then you do the sum, you will get the answer. Okay, now the next question. A taxi driver filled his petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day, he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol costs rupees 65 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? मतलब मंडे को 40 लीटर्स कार में फिल करवाया पेट्रोल, नेक्स्ट डे मीन्स ट्यूसडे को भी वापस 50 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल भरवाया कार में. अब 1 लीटर पेट्रोल का कॉस्ट कितना है? 65 रुपीज़. सो टोटल उसने पेट्रोल के ऊपर कितना खर्चा किया, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. Okay, as it is about problem, we have to write down the statement. So what statement we will write? It is question number 5. So we'll write the statement: petrol filled in car on Monday is equal to 40 liters. Then petrol filled in car on Tuesday. Next day means Monday के बाद next day, Monday के बाद क्या आता है? Tuesdays. That's why I written Tuesday. Or if you write on next day, then also it's okay. 50 liter. Now total petrol filled in car is equal to 40 plus 50, and cost of 1 liter of petrol is equal to rupees 65. So now we have to find out, therefore total money spent on petrol is equal to, now we have to make it in the form of a property. It is what, 65 into 40 plus 50. 65 into 40 plus 50, क्योंकि टोटल पेट्रोल उसने कितना फिल करवाया, पहले 40 फिर 50, तो वो आ गया एक साथ 40 प्लस 50 एंड 1 लीटर पेट्रोल का 65 इंटू वॉट एवर द टोटल इज बिंग कमिंग. So now 65 into 40 plus 50, that comes to 65 into 40 plus 50 is 90. So 0, 9 5s is 45. So 5, 4, 9, 6 is 50. 4 plus 4 is 58. Means total 5,850 rupees is being spent on petrol. That was your question number 5. Now let us move to question number 6. There also the same type of question is being there. Now a vendor supplies 32 liter of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liter of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? मतलब एक ही दिन में 32 लीटर इन द मॉर्निंग इन द होटल एंड 68 लीटर मिल्क इन द इवनिंग. 1 लीटर मिल्क का जो प्राइस है दैट इज़ 45. तो पूरे दिन में वो वेंडर का कितना खर्चा होता है ऑन मिल्क, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. So again, what statement we'll write? It's question number 6. Milk supplied in the morning is equal to 32 liter. Then milk supplied in the evening is equal to 68 liter. Therefore total milk supplied is equal to 32 plus 68. Then cost of 1 liter milk is equal to rupees 45. Now same, therefore total cost of milk per day is equal to 45 is the cost of milk into 32 plus 68. So that comes to 45 into 8 plus 2 10, 1 7 5 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 3 is 10. So total उसको पर डे का कितना खर्चा आता है, 4,500 related to milk which is supplying the whole day, 32 in the morning and 62 in the evening. और 1 लीटर मिल्क का कॉस्ट होता है 45. सो टोटल कॉस्ट पूरे दिन का मिल्क के रिलेटेड दैट कम्स टू 4,500. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 match the following is being there, that you have to do it by yourself in the textbook only, no need to write it in the notebook. This you have to do it in the textbook. Question यहाँ पे दिया, उसके related properties का name is being given here, so you have to see which property is used in each of them और उसके नाम find out करना है कि वो कौन सी property है from these 3 names. Okay, so this I am leaving on you. You have to do it in the textbook only. Pencil से लिखना है, don't use pen when you are writing in the textbook. So this was your exercise 2.2. In the next video we'll complete the chapter. This is the last exercise 2.3. So till then, thank you and take care.